guys, I'm Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, Felt for the Smell. Today I have a big Sephora haul. I haven't done one on my channel since November, and I just wanted to combat some winter blues. I did a couple of online orders and one in store, and just combined them all into my bigger bag, and I am excited to share them with you. A couple of these are gift sets, and some of them I used my reward points. I am a Beauty Insider status. The tiers, well, that's not true. It's Insider, then VIB, which is what I am, and then Rouge is the top tier level. And I was Rouge for 2018 and 2019, so we'll see what happens in 2020. I am 40 and really focusing on my skincare more, and when I have the extra money to spend, I do prefer Sephora and Ulta over drugstore, but I've got some favorites in those categories as well. So let's get to it. First item I ordered online, and this is the Saturday Skin Perfect Trio. I haven't used this brand before that I can remember. I may have gotten one of these small moisturizers in a BoxyCharm or an Allure beauty box in the past, but I don't remember. And I like to do these little sample sizes to see if I want to then purchase a full size. And so this comes with the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, and the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. So let me open it and show you. And they're not big sizes, but they're enough to kind of give you the opportunity to try it on the skin for a week or two, sometimes more depending on the size. Like this appears to be a pretty decent size for the Glacial Water Cream, so I like that, and I love the pink packaging. And then this one is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel, so we'll see how that performs. I have dry skin, so I'm always looking for a good peel or chemical exfoliation. And then this one is the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream, and this is a good size for eye cream, so pretty happy about those. And again, that is Saturday Skin. And then another set that I picked up is the Peter Thomas Roth Drench and Detox. This comes with the Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer and the Cucumber Detox Hydrogel Eye Patches. So I absolutely love the peeling gel from this brand, and the sizes of samples that I've had in the past were pretty small. This is pretty small as well, but I thought it would be good to try throwing in my purse because sometimes I do have to put on a moisturizer during the day, especially when I'm not out and reapplying sunscreen multiple times. And it looks like the gels, I really like the Skin Iceland eye gels, and I kind of tend to repurchase those, so I wanted to try something else. And this is a big package. Looks like it has 15 pairs, so that is pretty good. And I'm not going to open it all the way, but it looks like it has a little application there. Well, let me do, I am going to open it actually. Ooh, and they are green and very like jelly consistency and cucumber, and we all know cucumbers are very satisfying and very good at depuffing and giving that extra hydration to the eye. So that's Peter Thomas Roth. And then I have Tatcha. I have not used anything from Tatcha, so I this is gonna be the year that I'm gonna give it a go. And this is their best sellers list. So it comes with the Deep Cleanse, 1.7 fluid ounces, the Water Cream, the Silk Canvas Filter Finish Protective Primer. I know many of you have used it for a long time and love it. And the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. So let's open this up. I just didn't want to buy a full-size product and hate it when Tatcha is, you know, more of a luxury brand. You can't get this at Ulta. It's Sephora only. But I just think the packaging is beautiful. This little box, I'll probably use it for Scentsy samples that I've made or jewelry after I end up using the products, but they are a good size. And I have a couple more Tatcha items, or maybe one, nope, two. So this was one of the samples, and this is the Ultra Hydrating and Anti-Aging Replenishing Japanese Purple Rice that comes in the Dewy Skin Cream. So this is not in that 4 set. So I'm gonna try this one out. And then I also got the Deep Cleanse and the Water Cream. And this was with 300 bonus points a couple weeks ago. So got another one of the Deep Cleanse, so I have 2 of those. And there is the adorable little water cream. And I do love the travel sizes anyway. Christopher and I try to get away every couple months just by ourselves, even if it's 30 minutes away in our old college town of Lawrence, Kansas, or if we go on vacation alone. We stayed at an Airbnb out in Western Kansas at Thanksgiving. So I do travel, and I do go see my parents who are about 4.5 hours away out in Western Kansas. So they serve 2 purposes. They let you try out the product and they let you travel easily. And then speaking of Tatcha, I did buy one brand new product, and this is the Tatcha Serum Stick. So this just came out in January, and I'm really curious. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be. I love serums. I've just started using them in the last couple years, so I thought a stick would be interesting. And the packaging, it's quite heavy, and this is what the stick looks like. So it's kind of an opaque, you can tell it's like a serum type of consistency. Let's see how it is on the skin. I think I'm gonna like this. We're gonna have to give it a go. Let's see how far it goes up. So there's quite a bit of product in here, and the packaging is beautiful. I love Tatcha. I'm a sucker for packaging. I love the gold and the lilac purple there. And this is something that you can transport easily with you as well, or put it in your purse. Someone with dry skin like I have can reapply. I get dry around the mouth and around the eyebrows a lot, no matter how much I hydrate. So hopefully this will bring me some relief. So again, that's the brand new Tatcha Serum Stick, just came out in January. And speaking of hydration, this is my first full-size Drunk Elephant product, and it is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. It has 9 signal peptides, and many people love and adore this product. It's been around for a while. I've had samples of it and knew that I wanted to get the full size, especially for that extra hydration in winter with the cold, you know, February days. And I love the packaging. It's one of the first companies that did this type of packaging where you push it out, and so it is protected from the germs on your hands, the bacteria. It's got an air pump inside. It's quite heavy. It's got 1.69 fluid ounces of product, and I have seen and read and heard over and over again that you don't need to use a lot of it. I love that it's fragrance free, and I'm excited to get this on my face. And so that is the Drunk Elephant product. And then for my hair, I got one of the Way leave-in conditioners. It's 4.7 ounces. I find that this is very light, which I appreciate on my kind of long, I have a medium thickness to my hair, and I am guilty of leaving the house with kind of damp hair in the morning. I usually get to the office between 5:45 and 6:15 a.m. and I've got my makeup done. I'm as you can tell, I'm not a huge person that's really good at hair or spends a lot of time on my hair. So I can spray this and leave the house and it feels silky, and it air dries usually, so I try to minimalize the damage. And this is just a great leave-in conditioner, whether you spray it and then use a blow dryer or style your hair or use some kind of heat product on it, Or if you're like me and the majority of the time you're just spraying it in your hair and running out the door. So a lifesaver to an early bird like me. And that is a repurchase. And then last item before I just show you the samples, Glow Recipe is new to me as well. And so I got the Glow Babies set. I believe this was $29. So it includes, let's see, 5 items. There is the Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, the Pineapple Sea Bright Serum, the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, and the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm a little nervous about this brand. I've read a lot with it being wonderful at hydration, but the fragrance worries me a little bit. I'm not super sensitive to fragrance typically, but some things will make me break out. And seems to be another little sample here, but these are pretty tiny products. I hope that it's enough. That's the eye cream, I believe. Yes, the eye sleeping mask. I hope that this is enough for me to get a good run at the brand and at the products to see if they're gonna work out for me or not. The Gentle Cleanser with the blueberry makes me a little nervous. I have done the Tony Moly the peach cleanser, and I was as red as a fire engine when I got out of the shower. So it seems like maybe it's my age, maybe it's the climate I live in, but I have to be a little more careful, and I prefer not to have any fragrance, but I'm still gonna give it a go, and that's why I'm trying the smaller sizes. And then I did several samples. This was the Stress Kit from January, and I believe it has 11 different products in it. So before you empty your cart, make sure, go through Sephora's website and make sure there is not a giveaway of some kind, a promotion code that you can use so you can try even more. There's a lip sleeping mask, I love it. Here is a good size of Sephora's Clean Skin Gel. And, you know, just different products in here. Let's try one more. Let's see what this is. This is the High CBD Formula Body Lotion by Lord Jones. And I do use CBD. I take it in capsules primarily. I have 2 autoimmune diseases, and it really helps with my pain levels so I can work and take care of my huge family. And then just a few more samples in the bag. Looks like the Clinique ID. I'm very curious about this product. If some of you comment below and let me know what formula you use, because I haven't picked it up yet. I love the Dr. Jart products, especially their Cica cream, which helps with redness on the skin. And looks like there's a Josie Moran. I did pick this one out. Broad Spectrum SPF 47 and Sun Boost ATB. I'm really interested in this, so I'll let you know how it goes. And again, with these trial sizes and with these samples, I really pay attention to what's happening with my skin so that I can put that product on my wish list if it is doing something for me, if it has a brightening effect, if it's moisturizing, if I love the way I look when I wake up the next day. So those smaller sizes and those samples are a great way to do that. And then you end up getting the wonderful full sizes when you know that it's a product that's gonna work for you. So that is my big old Sephora haul, and I wanna thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.